Hello guys. In this video, we will demonstrate the script for installing Scilab. First, we access the official Scilab website. Scilab.org. Scilab offers versions for the operating systems, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. We will install the option for the Windows operating system. In the Windows option, we have versions for 32-bit and 64-bit. We chose the 64-bit version. At this point, we have the option of filling out this form. It's not mandatory. At the end of the download, we execute the transferred file with a double click. The process is straightforward. We chose Next to complete the installation. At the end of the installation, Scilab will start. Until the next video.